So when are we going to get paid from Instagram for badges and also the milestones? Let's talk about that in today's video. Before we jump into it, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. So a couple of days ago, I created this video right here, new Instagram monetization. So it talks about how you can monetize on Instagram from badges and also milestones. Milestones are a different way. You complete different tasks and basically you have to go live and get paid from Instagram. So go watch that video if you have not done it already. But a lot of people left comments and they wanted to know, when are we going to actually get money from Instagram? So let's talk about that. So here's what I want you to do. Go to Instagram, Google, and search for Instagram Help Payout, and you're going to find this link right here. So this link has all the details. So it's about payouts. Let me make it big and let's kind of go through this quickly. How do you receive your earnings? So first thing is you have to at least have made at least $100, right? If you have not, then you have to wait until you get to that threshold. You can read through all these details if you want. And then when you get paid, so depending on your bank, it can take up to 1 to 7 business days. But here is the schedule. You are going to get invoice and then the date of the payment. So if you're getting money from badges and milestones, the invoice date is going to be 8th and then you get paid on the 1st, right? So for example, today is the June 30th. Everything that I have made in the previous month, on the 8th of this month, I'm hoping to get an invoice, and then the first of the next month, I'll get the payment, right? If you are making money from IGTV, I don't have that monetization option, but if you do, then your invoice date is going to be 10th and then the payment is going to be on 21st. So that's actually pretty soon, right, compared to this. This is what Instagram published, and again, it's Instagram. I'll tell you one thing, your money is saved. So a lot of people, if you feel like, hey, we're making money, but is Instagram really going to pay us? I have a feeling they will. They're not after our couple of $100 of our money. I think they will pay. You just have to wait. Sometimes I know a lot of people are making a lot of money on Snapchat Spotlight, but sometimes they have to wait for like 6 weeks, 10 weeks to get the money in their bank. Here's the more description. Once a month, you'll receive 2 things. So it's right here. You'll receive an invoice. And then a payment if you made at least $100 in the given month, right? For example, if you made $50 in April and $80 in May, so that means you're gonna get paid in June because that in a $50 in the first month was not 100, right? Again, if you wanna read through this, here's the link about payout. Search for Instagram payouts, but hang in tight. If you are using Instagram badges or milestones, you will get paid from Instagram. I'm positive. Obviously, I don't represent Instagram, so but I'm fairly positive that they will. This program is from Instagram. They want to help the creators who are creating content. So I think we will get paid. Just wait, be patient. If you have any questions, let me know.